Hey guys, it's Dr. Kumra. I want to talk to you about a question I get asked pretty much every day. At the end of treatment, what type of retainer am I going to get? You guys know we have a couple different options. There's a removable one and a fixed one or a permanent one. The permanent retainer is in the photo that we have here. It is a bar that gets glued to the back of the teeth, individually to about 6 teeth on the bottom. The good and the bad about that: diet restrictions, can't floss as well. As a dentist, you know I don't like that. The good is you pretty much don't have to remember to take anything in and out. What my go-to method of choice is if you have the bar glued to the back of your teeth and also a removable retainer. Think belts and suspenders here. If you glue the teeth together and support them with a removable retainer, you're really gonna give yourself a fighting chance to maintain that awesome result that we got after treatment. So in short, my go-to method of choice for retainers is a bar behind the teeth on the bottom and also a removable retainer that you wear at night. If you guys have questions or you need us for anything, please give us a call. Thanks.